Welcome to this GCSE revision video on highest common factor and lowest common multiple. This is a 4-mark question, so it shouldn't take you more than 4 minutes to do. It's also on a paper 1, which means you don't have a calculator and you're not going to need one anyway. Let's jump straight into it. Now the first part of it, you can clearly see that the highest common factor is going to be 4 if you know your factors. So the method I'm going to show you is the method I would use if it's not that easy to see what the highest common factor is. The first thing I will do is I will take my 12 and I will do my factor tree. So 2 and 6, 2 and 3, and then I would circle these because these are all prime numbers. And then I will do the 20, same thing. I will do 2 and 10, 2 and 5, and these are all prime numbers, so I'll circle them. And then I would put them in a quick little Venn diagram where this is going to be my numbers for 12 and this is going to be my numbers for 20. The first thing I do, check to see if there are anything that matches. So I've got a pair of 2s that match here, so 2 will go in the middle. That's the wrong pen that I've used there, so I will need to undo that and then use the right pen. So 2 will go in the middle, and then I have also got another pair of 2s here and here, so another 2 will go in the middle. Just put the 2 in the middle there, and then there are no more pairs. So my highest common factor is everything that is in the middle here. All I need to do is multiply them. So my highest common factor is equal to 2 times 2, which is 4, and that is done. 2 marks in the bag. Now let's go down to the lowest common multiple. What do you do for this one? So same routine again. I'm going to take my 32 and I'm going to split it into 2 and 16, and 2 and 8, 2 and 4, and finally 2 and 2. So and these are all prime numbers, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. So just double check that we've done that right. 2 times 16, 2 times 8, 2 times 4, 2 times 2. So there are 5 lots of 2s there. Now we do the same thing with the 48. So I'm going to go 48 there, and I'm going to go 2 and 24, 2 and 12, and 3 and 4, and then I can split that into 2 and 2. So far what I've got, quite a lot of 2s there, and I will do exactly the same thing as I've done before. I'm going to get a couple of Venn diagrams there, and then I'm going to look for my pairs that match. So 1 pair of 2s, 2 pair of 2s, 3 pairs, and then 4 pairs of 2 there. And I'm going to whack all of those in the middle. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what I've got left on the outside will be a spare 2 out here for the 32. And for the 48, I've got a spare 3 out there. Now, unlike the one at the top, my lowest common multiple means I need to multiply everything that's in the Venn diagram. So all I need to do now is literally go 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Double check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s. I've got 5 2s there, times 3. So that's 32 times 3. That's going to be 96. And just like that, that is finished in 4 minutes.